Dancehall recording artist Shenseea to pay tuition for two college dropouts. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So the Shenyang boss herself, Shenseea, is giving two college dropouts in Jamaica the chance to finish their tertiary education by paying their tuition. The blessed artist made the announcement on her Instagram page earlier as she celebrated her second annual Young Day with her fans. For this year's Young Day celebration, I'm sending two college dropouts in Jamaica back to school to get their degree. I know how it feels attending college and then you have to stop because of financial difficulties. So I'm now in a different position. I can help to change that. So two lucky Shenyang will receive help from me to get back to school, she said in a short video posted on her Instagram page.
Happy Young Day, my Shenyang. So for this year's Young Day celebration, I always give back for Young Day, so I'm sending two college dropouts back to school to get that degree. I know how it feels to, attending college and then, you have to stop because of financial difficulties. So now that I'm in a different position, I can help to change that. So two lucky Shenyangs will receive help from me to go back to school and get that degree. And I just hope that I motivate anybody else out there that, you drop out of college, drop out of high school, whatever the case may be. You should not let it stop you from being successful. Find another way. But, this year, I'm giving back, paying the tuition. Come now. Shenyangs, happy Young Day.
So as you know, Shenseea has been riding on the international scene for some time now and trying to make her name as a household name not only locally but on the international scene, and trying to represent Jamaica as she goes along with that. So her fans are required to send proof of their attendance and status letter to her email for a chance to be selected. So recently she gave her manager Ramesh the best gift ever by purchasing a piece of land for him in the corporate era. But her latest act of kindness is being met with even more adoration from her fans, saying you're such an inspiration, one person commented. Another commented, keep up the good work, Shenseea. Another one wrote, this is such an amazing way to give back. Another one added. She also fitted Ramesh and some other individuals in the Ramesh camp recently with brand new Rolex watches. Let's go over to that.
Come on, boys, come on. Let's dig it. Like my watch. What's wanted? Artist Richard, look how
Where's that
I
slider?
go to Shenseea.
So I guess Shenseea is just in the giving mood right now, and one has to commend her for this because not many international superstar recording artists would actually take up this initiative right now in order to help a student in order to get back into school or to further their tertiary education. So hats off to Shenseea right now on this, and I know that this act of kindness right now will definitely go a far way for those students. So much love and much respect goes out. This is where we're gonna sign out for this right now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity School. Peace out and bless.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.